Hello, welcome to today's video on simple interest. In this video, we're going to look at how to find simple interest and then apply the number of years afterwards. So let's read example 1. Ryan deposits $7,000 into an account that pays simple interest at a rate of 2% per year. How much interest will be paid at the end of 4 years? What we need to think about is that we need to find 2% of 7,000. So now we have a simple setup of our percent proportion. Remember that the percent proportion is percent over 100 and part over whole. Well, this is our percent and this is our whole value because it's next to of. Remember, is and of. So this is my of. So it's my whole. So I'm going to find 2% of 7,000. So I'm going to have 2 over 100 equals x over 1,000. 7,000. To solve this, I'm going to cross multiply. 2 times 7,000 is 14,000 equals 100x. Now I'm going to divide by 100. That knocks off 2 of my zeros. So x equals $140. Now this is just the amount of simple interest accrued, just 1 year. The question asks, how much will be paid in the first 4 years? Well, if it's 140 for 1 year, then for 2 years it's going to be 280 because it's times 2. For 3 years, so on and so forth. So to find out for 4 years, we're going to do 140 times 4. Four times 4 is 16. 4 times 1 plus 5 is 560. So it's going to be $560 for 1 year. Let's look at a couple more examples. In example A, it says Sam deposits $4,000 into an account that pays simple interest at a rate of 5% per year. How much interest will be paid in the first 2 years? Well, we need to think about that we're finding, since it's 5% per year and $4,000 deposited, I need to think about it as 5% of 4,000. So I'm going to set up my percent proportion. So I have 5 over 100 equals x over 4,000. I'm going to cross multiply and get 100x equals 20,000. I'm going to divide by 100 on both sides. It's going to knock out 2 of my zeros. So x equals 200. Now it wants to know $200 each year for the first 2 years. I'm going to look at that as 200 times 2, which is 400. So after 2 years of 5% interest, they make $400. Let's look at the last one, part B. Theresa deposits $500 into an account that pays simple interest at a rate of 3% per year. How much interest will she be paid in the first 4 years? So $500 and 3% per year. So I need to find 3% of 500. So I'm going to start by proportion, 3 over 100 equals x over 500. 100x equals 1,500. I'm going to divide by 100 on both sides. x equals 15, and it's $15 each year for 4 years. So the first year is going to be 15, next year is going to be 30, so on and so forth. So if it goes up by 15 each year, I'm going to just multiply by 4. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 2 is 60. So she makes $60 of interest per year. Alright guys, just remember to write out your proportion properly and then multiply by the number of years. This is where people will mix it up a lot, is not multiplying by the number of the years. Good luck.